protective bail. LHC dismisses Imran's plea for protective bail greater than a Lahore High Court division seat on Thursday, excused for non-arraignment at a request of PTI director Imran Khan, looking for defensive bail in a lawbreaker case by the Islamabad police. Though a solitary seat permitted him a chance to show up on Monday in one more request of bail in a comparable case. LHC dismisses Imran's plea for protective bail. LHC dismisses Imran's plea for protective bail greater than. We concluded the case at 6:30 p.m., yet when the case was called neither Mr. Azhar Siddique, the learned direction for the applicant, nor the solicitor was in participation. In this perspective, with regards to this issue, we have no choice except for to excuse the appeal for non-arraignment, said the request given by the two-judge seat. Read more. LHC dismisses Imran Khan's plea for protective bail. In at the start of the meeting, Equity Ali Bakar Najafi, who headed the seat, requested the legal counselor from the PTI executive about the non-participation of the solicitor looking for defensive bail for a situation enrolled in Islamabad. Equity Syed Shahbaz Ali Rizvi was the other individual from the seat. LHC dismisses Imran's plea for protective bail greater than. Advocate Azhar Siddique told the seat Imran Khan couldn't show up because of clinical issues and introduced clinical reports under the steady gaze of the court. The seat saw that the clinical reports showed no counsel to Mr. Khan against strolling. The legal counselor likewise referred to security worries for Mr. Khan when the seat saw that the candidate might have shown up in a wheelchair. LHC dismisses Imran's plea for protective bail. Excuses cited by PTI chief include medical condition, security threat. LHC dismisses Imran's plea for protective bail greater than when the single bench of Lahore High Court is allowed to present the petitioner, but at the time when the case was called neither Mr. Expected counsel is particularly aware. Because the application was present, we have no choice but to do so. Dismissing the plea, a two-judge bench issued the order that the application for protective bond in the case filed in Islamabad was actually brought by Sally. I am still with Justice Science in Islamabad. The medical reports of the other member were produced before the court, and the bench observed that the medical reports did not suggest that Mr. Reed more protective bail. LHC directs Imran to turn up in court, in person. LHC dismisses Imran's plea for protective bail greater than when the bench observed that the petitioner could have appeared. Another bench on a wheelchair gave the PTI chief a fresh chance to appear on Monday. To be done without personal appearance, therefore. The counsel was given more time to deliberate on the petition when the bench asked him to withdraw the petition after a brief interval, and it was also dismissed by Advocate Hassan Niazi. And if you appeared before Mr. Khan Bank and told that he also showed the PTI chairman time to give a clear answer to the threats to his life by the Taliban, but when the hearing resumed at 6 p.m., no one appeared on behalf of the petitioner. In this application, Mr. Sangyani consult the security bond in the case registered at the police station, which his offence was also quashed under Section 7. And the case was taken to the High Court after the Anti-Terrorism Court of Islamabad dismissed Mr. LHC dismisses Imran's plea for protective bail greater than Khan to continue monitoring the single bench proceedings while the other lawyers were proceeding, once again allowing time to consult with the doctors whether Mr. Khan could appear in the court, which was closed by the judge till 12:30 p.m. as the lawyers made another request. Faisal Sultan, Drive. Sufyana's personal physician, appeared in court when the judge was conducting the hearing at 2 p.m. However, the judge refused to listen to the doctor and ask the lawyer about the petitioner's appearance, telling the judge that the petitioner wanted to withdraw the plea. The Islamabad High Court granted relief to him in the matter of the similarity of signatures on the Moon count. His affidavit of power of attorney is currently attached to the petition, so I think it's going to be signed by another consul. LHC dismisses Imran's plea for protective bail greater than. However, the judge said that the petitioner's personal statement was required during the hearing till February 20. When senior counsel Eric Project Rahim appeared on behalf of the PTI chairman to seek time, the judge directed John to present the PTI chief, discuss security issues with the legal team for the two people.